everyone, salutations and good afternoon. Wow, it's like pouring rain so bad out here. I don't want this camera lens to get like... I'm here at my friend's parents' house, and this is Isabella. Isabella, where are you at? Oh, there you are. Isabella. Hi. Anyway, so I'm gonna be having not barbecue, but dinner with them today. And this is what we have like prepared out so far. Got green olives. I'm celebrating with sparkling cider, potato chips, a salsa, vegetables, fruits. Just a typical dinner, but and bread. Slice of bread. Wow, that looks good. I'm not quite sure what this is.
What's that? That's a taco dip.
Taco dip. Wow, that's good. That looks really good, though. I can't wait to have that. Alan. There's Brandon. This is me, and I just finished eating, and wow, I'm just like so bloated right now. I'm like so full, to be honest. Check this out. This is so cool. Look at this. He's just sitting here. This is a really cute dog. I like this dog. He's just sitting on my lap.
Starting to get into, you know, those recurve bows. Well, that's good. Wow. That'd be real wonderful if you can do that and take a hell of a load out of it.
There you are. Hey, doggy. Oh, this is so cool. This dog is like so cute. I got a little bit apparently. There he is.
Every day I.
You gotta put a clown nose on.
Who wants to be on YouTube? Gotta raise your hand.
Oh God,
Alright, so I'm outside right now, and well, anyway, this is what I'm doing. I'm just out here, and I don't know, I'm just enjoying the weather, to be honest. This is like really good weather. I like it out here. This is like really nice. It's very peaceful, and the weather is very calming.
Mine are mostly on the counter.
It's not only calming, but it's not only calming, but the weather is really nice outside. It's actually perfect weather right now. And just to show you, this is so cool what I did. I'd taken a pair of like camouflage shorts, trousers, and then cut them into shorts. So that's what I did with that. So I cannot wait to have food because I'm definitely hungry. And just outside right now.
You are really gonna get wet. Watch out, over that way. Yeah.
Oh geez, it's all flooded. Oh, don't do that, Brent. You crazy kid. As you can see here, beneath my feet. Look how much water there is.
I dare you.
Wow. Look how good that is. So like basically I put like kind of like butter on the bread. It's really nice. Oh wow. Hey, get him. Yeah, well, nothing much here. I'm just waiting for the humans to get their food and make their food so I can beg for food and steal their food and take their food and, you know, just eat all the food off the table or do what a dog does in my own life. And, yep, well, that's me. That's my vlog for today. And just a dog. I'm sitting here. Comes another dog. Ow. Screaming in the background. Oh, I can't see you. There you are.
Take your glasses off.
Yeah, you too.
Cody.
They're famous now.
This is why
Because-
the women love me.
The little weenies.
I'm supposed to say that.
Women are pissed off at you.
Oh, that sounds disgusting.
Dude, these are awesome.
They're good, right? Wow, I'd like to try some of those.
Grab me a plate, I'll give you a couple.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
recording
there we
now.
go. Now we're recording.
Now you're
And
recording.
this is some, what is that you got there?
It's supposed to be
Wow.
some kind of apple cider. Is that cinnamon cider or apple
Is
cider?
it any good?
Spice.
Is
I'm
it any
gonna
good?
try it.
Okay, we'll try it and see what you think. And, yeah, I'll dump it in the sink too.
I'm still drinking, but it's really tangy
but
at
it's good
first.
for you. But it's good for you. I mean, it's got all the vitamins you need.
And I've got my
Yeah, and you got
spaghetti.
your-
That's
oh,
what I'm having for dinner,
ow,
spaghetti.
Damn. You ain't got no bread though.
And thanks to,
Bread's overrated. So. And what did it quit?
so well, thanks to you guys for helping to create the food. I mean, I'm gonna taste your spaghetti for the first time, so it should be
First
interesting.
time?
Yeah, well, I never tried your. Well, I had your barbecue. That was good. But I didn't know you could make spaghetti
And have it
too.
all over his face.
That's not my dog. He's Christ dog. Where's Nathan?
It's good.
Was it really good? Or was it just mediocre? Was it just like, I don't know.
It's really good.
Okay.
Yeah, I like this. This is really good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks to the
We're gonna have
chef
some
here.
more, yeah, but have
He's a
some more of that
professional.
cider there to work it down with there. And then, you know, and you'll be good and have some more spaghetti there and bam! You don't drink, do you? But I heard spaghetti and cider, you mix the liquor, and you're gonna be drunk before you get home.
Well,
Yeah, dude.
no way.
Bam. They love it every time. What?
Spaghetti.
You guys eat spaghetti?
Yeah.
Every time that we have spaghetti, they have to have it. The little one almost. That's according to you. Well, the little one almost does backflips every time. And Scout will jump up as high as your eyes.
He's killing his dog, you know. He's killing his dogs. Slowly but surely, killing him. Our dog, look it on YouTube and say this is what not to do. You don't give your
They
dog.
will lick the plate clean, and then when it gets down to the last noodle, they will bark at each other and pop on each other. Then you put the plate back in the.
Wow, what did I
It's a little bit spendy, but it's freaking awesome.
How did I
So let's say you want to go to 100-inch pounds. They have foot pounds, they have newton meters, they have Dutch newton meters, they have tons of different measurements as far as like angle. So like 90 foot pounds plus 90 degrees, it'll measure all that. So you go ahead and let's say we'll just do 100. So I set it to 100, turn the light on so I can see it. So now I go like this and I hook into this and I start going up and you can see it reading and then the light bar starts lighting up the closer you get to it. As soon as you get up to 100, green light vibrates and beeps.
Oh,
Best torch wrenches you could ever
wow.
buy, but they're $500.
Mm-hmm. I need a beat.
It's the price you get for Snap-on.
Hey.
They work great though.
Alright, everyone. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for always enjoying watching my videos. And I'm going to conclude this video, this vlog for tonight. It's already 9 o'clock, and I have no idea what I'm even saying right now. I'm not even sure if I'm half asleep or awake right at this point. And I definitely had a long day today so far. I was awake since 6 o'clock today, actually. Yeah, I was actually awake since 6 o'clock. I'm gonna get some sleep. And as I said, I thank you always to all of my gremlins. I love each and every one of you, and honest to God, I really do appreciate all of you watching and just taking the time out of your busy schedules, out of your lives, as hectic and chaotic as it might be, in order to tune in, click on my videos, and watch my videos. I will see each and every one of you soon enough, so see ya.